Before time had a name. Before cities rose. Before history learned how to write itself. There was a place. No crown guarded it. No army defended it. Yet kings bowed to it. Empires feared it. And billions, even today, turn their faces toward it every single day. What is this place? That survived floods, fires, wars, and the rise and fall of civilizations? This is the story of the Kaaba. In the heart of the Arabian desert stands a structure so simple, yet so powerful, that it has changed the direction of human history. A cube. No gold. No statues. No throne. And yet, it is the most visited place on earth. Not because of what it looks like, but because of what it represents. A house not built for humans, but built for God. Islamic tradition tells us something astonishing. The Kaaba was not first built by Prophet Ibrahim. It was built before him. Long before. By angels. As a reflection of a house in the heavens called Al-Bayt al-Ma'mur. A sacred place where angels worship God endlessly. The Kaaba on earth was meant to mirror the worship of the skies. A connection between heaven and humanity. But time is ruthless. Floods erased its walls. Generations forgot its purpose. Idolatry replaced devotion. Until one man was commanded to rebuild it. A man tested beyond imagination. Prophet Ibrahim. And beside him, his son, Ismail. Father and son. Stone by stone. Sweat and prayer. As they built, they didn't ask for reward. They didn't ask for fame. They asked only one thing. "O Lord, accept this from us." And then, something happened. A stone descended from paradise. Not white anymore. Not pure anymore. Blackened. By the sins of humanity. The Hajri Aswad. A stone kissed by prophets. Touched by angels. And today, by millions of trembling hands. Not worshipped. Never worshipped. But honored. As a witness to human faith. Centuries passed. The Kaaba stood silent as tribes fought. As idols were placed inside it, 360 of them. The house of one God. Turned into a museum of false gods. Until a man walked toward it. At the age of 40. Rejected. Mocked. Threatened. Muhammad. When Makkah was finally conquered. The world expected revenge. Instead, he entered the Kaaba. And destroyed every idol. Not with anger, but with mercy. And declared, "Truth has come and falsehood has vanished." Since that moment, the Kaaba became the Qibla. The direction of prayer. From crowded cities to lonely deserts. From skyscrapers to prison cells. Muslims turn toward one point. Not because God lives there, but because unity lives there. One direction. One God. One humanity. The Kaaba has been attacked. By armies. By rebels. By time itself. It has been burned. Flooded. Damaged. Yet every time, it stands again. Rebuilt. Restored. As if history itself refuses to let it fall. Because this house was never meant to belong to one nation, one race, or one era. It belongs to belief. Every year, millions answer a call older than civilization. I am here, O Lord. I am here. Different languages. Different colors. Different stories. But wearing the same cloth. Standing equal. No kings. No beggars. Just humans. And their creator. Circling the Kaaba. As planets circle the sun. As angels circle the throne. Order. Purpose. Submission. The Kaaba does not speak. Yet it tells the loudest story. That power does not need decoration. That faith does not need walls of gold. That God does not need a house. But humans need a direction. A reminder. A center. Empires will fall. Technology will fade. Civilizations will disappear. But as long as one heart still beats for truth, the Kaaba will stand. Silent. Unshaken. Eternal. Not as a building, but as a promise between God and humanity.